Hey everyone, so I just wanted to record this quick video to explain how to create a smart contract, on how to deploy it, on how to use it into Hedera hash graph. I'm just going to upload my Solidity contract. I guess that you have some knowledge about Solidity. So it's a very simple HelloWorld contract. So when I'm going to deploy it, I'm going to register the accounts used for the creation of the smart contract as master. And after we have two methods. The first one is register, so you can introduce yourself to the smart contract and change your name. And you can say hello to the smart contract. If the smart contract doesn't know you, he's going to just tell you, oh, do I know you? But if you already introduce yourself to the smart contract, you will just reply hey and provide in your name. I just first wanted to test it in Truffle and to explain how it works. So I'm going to start a new Truffle console and oh sorry. You will have access as well to this markdown file that explain the all steps. So I'm going to start Truffle and I'm going to call the migrate command. First, you can see that Truffle generates for you like 10 accounts and with their 10 private key. When I call migrate, it's just using this JavaScript file to deploy my contracts, and we can see that now HelloWorld has been deployed in my Truffle console. To make it simple, I'm going to keep the deployed smart contract into this variable that I call instance, and I'm going to save as well this list of accounts into a variable called accounts. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just to call the method hello in my smart contract, and because I'm connected using the account that has been used to deploy the smart contract, is recognizing me and say hey master. But if I called exactly the same method, so hello, but from another account, because accounts 1 didn't really register to the smart contract, the smart contract is just replying, do I know you? Obviously, account 1 can introduce himself to the smart contract using the register method and saying that, oh, my name is Jon Snow. So this is the transaction output. So now when account 1 calls the hello method again, the smart contract knows account 1 and it's just replying hey Jon Snow. As you can see, it's a very simple smart contract. When your smart contract is ready to be used and ready to be deployed, so you can compile it. On my laptop, I'm using the Solidity compiler command line interface, and I'm using this specific version. I'm doing first, I guess that I already built this smart contract, so yeah. So I'm going to delete them. Okay, and I'm going to. So by doing that, I'm going to compile my Solidity contract HelloWorld into the binary version, ABI version, in an optimized way, and I'm going to save the output into build resources. And that's it. So if I check now in build resources, I have my HelloWorld.bin that I need to deploy into Hedera hash graph. Now I'm going to switch to Java. So I'm going to use the Java SDK to first we need to upload the file. So we can see here we have this HelloWorld.bin. We are going to connect to the testnet. So this is the URL of my testnet, and this is the node ID. Obviously, you can connect to any node. You can connect to multiple nodes, but in this example, we'll connect only to this one. to authenticate to the Hedera network, we are using an account ID and a private key. So if I show you my environment variable, we can see here that I'm using my account ID 001237, and this is my private key. Here we are also loading the HelloWorld.bin, and we first need to create this file into Hedera network. Be aware that this file create transaction supports only the upload of 4 kilobytes. So if you have more than that, you will need to split your byte array into 4K byte pieces, and after you will be able to call this file append function to add the missing byte to your file. So we are going to create a file, then we are going to get the transaction receipt, and from the receipt we are going to get the file ID, and when the file ID will be available, we are going to call the contract create transaction, and we are going to provide this file ID containing the HelloWorld.bin, and at the end we'll get the receipt and we'll get the contract ID. So let's do that. Okay, so the file ID is 139499 and the smart contract ID is 00.139500. So I'm going to copy paste this value into this method called use smart contract. So I'm going to paste it here. So we are going to use the same way to authenticate to the Hedera network. We are going to connect exactly again to the same nodes, but you could connect to another one or more than one. We are going to use the smart contract ID to register yourself and to say hello. So let's start by just saying hello to my smart contract ID. So let's see how we say hello. So because it's like a read-only access, you are not going to change the state of your smart contract. We are using a contract call query. You are providing the smart contract ID, and you are going to call the hello function. So let's do that. Because I'm using exactly the same account to create the smart contract and to say hello, obviously he knows me and he's replying to me, hey master. But I'm going to change my name, so I just have like your name Benzi. I'm just going to introduce myself and I'm going to say hello again. So to introduce yourself, because you are executing a method that is going to change the state of the smart contract, you need to use a contract execute transaction. You say that you want to call the register function, and you add your string parameter, which is your name. Okay, so we can see that it was a success. You introduce yourself successfully on the smart contract. When you say again hello, he knows my name and it says that I'm Ben C. Obviously anyone can use the same contract to introduce yourself and say hello back. As you can see, it's a very small use case and small example, but it was to explain to you how to go from Solidity, testing with Truffle, deploying your smart contract using the Java SDK, and how to use as well your smart contracts. I hope that this video will be helpful for you, and let me know by asking some question if you need any help. Thank you.